Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, as you guys can tell with the echo, we're in the bathroom. Today I'm going to be trying out this new product from Fanola. So this one is their Incredible Foam Conditioner. Again, this is from the No Yellow line, and you guys know I have tried out their products before. If you guys would like to see my previous videos on the No Yellow or Fanola range products, definitely check out the description box down below and also the eye on the screen. But yeah, let's just dive right into it. So let's get up close and personal with my hair. As you guys can see, there's definitely a lot of yellow going through here, and I intentionally did that so that I can do this video. But the ends of my hair, I don't know if you guys can see, they're pretty good still. Like, I feel like the tone's still really nice. It's really just at the root that's quite yellow. So I'm going to be putting this product to the test with my very brassy hair. So before I do that, I need to wash my hair. This is also a tip I got from the brand, to wash my hair first. They said I could use the purple shampoo as well, but I really just want to see how pigmented this product is on its own. So instead of using a purple shampoo, I'm going to use a shampoo that just cleans my hair and just takes care of my scalp. So I'm going to be using this one. This one is the Rebalance Shampoo Sebum Regulating Shampoo from Fanola. And no, this video is not sponsored. These products were just gifted to me and I have a pretty good relationship with them, so they sent me stuff all the time. So yeah, I'll just wash my hair and then we'll try out the foam. Okay, so I've just washed my hair and this is what it looks like wet. So I've just read the instructions again. So it pretty much just says apply on to damp hair and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. Give it a good shake. This one just kind of reminds me of whipped cream. Oh my gosh, that looks so much fun. I wish the foam kind of like stayed in one position though. Okay, let's try and move this around. This looks so much fun, guys. I'm trying to make sure I get every layer as well, so that's very even. Like I said, the ends of my hair are quite light already, so I expect them to go quite grey quite quickly, whereas the roots might not take as much of the pigment, and that's fine. That's what you deal with when you have different levels of colour in your hair. I'm going to try and leave as much information about my hair and my bleaching routine on this screen for those of you guys that are interested. And I know everyone's not really interested in that sort of stuff because some of you guys actually go to hairdressers, unlike me, because I can't afford it. So I do it myself. Now, the amount of product that I just used is quite excessive. I only really did that because I'm going to do it for an Instagram video and for the thumbnail because, yeah, clickbait much. Well, not really clickbait, but it catches your attention, I think. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like now. So I'm just going to chill on my phone for, I'd say 5 minutes. I want to leave it for 5 minutes. And yeah, that's what my hands look like. They're very purple stained at the moment. And yeah, that's kind of normal. I'm used to it from using different types of purple products, but they tend to wash out quite easily, so don't worry. Okay, so I accidentally left it in for 10 minutes because I got distracted on my phone, but now I'm going to wash it out and I'll show you guys what it looks like after having it in my hair for 10 minutes. Okay, so I've just washed it out and this is what my hair looks like. And girl, it is hella pigmented. I was expecting pigment, but I wasn't expecting this much pigment, which is quite surprising. Obviously, it looks pretty crazy at the moment. It probably looks very grey or purple-ish as well in this light. But I am going to blow dry my hair and show you guys what it looks like when it's dry. Don't ever rely on what your hair looks like when it's wet. Okay, so everything is dry and has been styled. I don't think I need to flat iron it or anything. I feel like it looks good. Okay, let's just have a look. Okay, so looking at the mirror, so I've got two mirrors, one there, one here, and then obviously the viewfinder over there. And the consensus is it's very grey. It's fabulous. I was not expecting this colour to appear on my head after using this. I was expecting more, just a slight toning, you know, just a little bit ashier. This one's just like taking it to bam, you're now grey, and I'm really liking it. I'm enjoying it. Like this, because I've got daylight coming through here, it looks grey. And I think on the viewfinder, it's coming off a little bit like a beige, like a cool tone beige blonde. Now the under part of my hair, where I've got more of that yellow tone, an orangey tone, obviously it hasn't completely gotten rid of that. It's still throwing off a little bit, I mean the tiniest bit of maybe orangey yellow, but it looks cool toned, if that makes sense, and it blends in really nice with my hair. I really like that. And then we go up to the part where my hair is like longer and has got more bleached ends. I feel like it looks really nice and even, and even the feel of my hair, it doesn't feel dry. Even the feel of my hair feels really nice and soft. I've used I mean, I've obviously used an oil as well, but I can tell the difference even with an oil or not. Sometimes I've used, in the past I have used like foaming toning sort of like products, and they oftentimes leave my hair quite dry, and even with a hair oil they still feel quite parched, whereas this actually feels really nice and hydrated, and it doesn't feel like it's weighing my hair down. I am super impressed with the color. Like I said, I wasn't expecting to get grey. I was expecting just maybe a slight touch of ashiness, but girl, this came to slay. This did not come to play. So yeah, if you're seriously looking for like greyish hair, definitely check this out. Again, obviously it depends on what kind of current hair color you have, but yeah, that's pretty much my first impressions on this. I am very happy, very impressed with this product. Again, if you guys would like me to compare this to the regular No Yellow I was gonna say foundation, shampoo and conditioners, like how they compare to this on its own, definitely let me know. I can definitely give you a detailed comparison. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you guys enjoy my content and would like to see more of me, I'd appreciate it if you guys hit the subscribe button down below, and also that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you guys would like to see behind the scenes stuff, a little bit more about me, head over to my Instagram at MrKenDenis, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget to check out these other videos if you guys would like to go into the YouTube rabbit hole of related videos, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.